You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from French. In French, if you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. Many more coming up at the end of this video. Short for Théodore, the French pronunciation here is Théo. The H is essentially silent, as it's pretty much always is in French. Théo, T-O. Théo, how to pronounce, French pronunciation, Théo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.